watch out. XRP has reached key technical levels, while XLM and HBAR are repeating the same bullish pattern we saw just a few months ago, and the big players are already getting involved. Today's video is a big one, because what we're seeing with XRP, XLM, and HBAR is no coincidence. There's a pattern repeating itself, almost identical to the rally we saw between November and January. Sound familiar? And it's not just the price action. We're talking about a skyrocketing RSI, resistance breakouts, and most importantly, institutional money starting to flow in. So if you're thinking about getting in, or you're already holding, this video is going to matter to you. Pay attention to this. The behavior of XRP, XLM, and HBAR is following the same pattern we saw from November 2024 to January 2025. And we all know what happened back then. Massive price moves, consolidation, rising volume, breakout. This isn't magic. It's market psychology and cycle repetition. The people who got in last time multiplied their investments by 2 or 3, and right now, the charts are sending the same signal. XRP currently has an RSI around 80. Is that overbought? Yes. But is it a bad sign? Not necessarily. In a strong uptrend, a high RSI usually means there's serious buying pressure. Here's what matters. We have a strong support at $1.90 and a key resistance at $3.40. If we break through 3.40, you know it's coming. Also, keep in mind, there's a lot of volume coming from Korea. Is that random? I don't think so. Every time Korea starts moving, XRP, something big tends to follow. Now let's talk about Stellar. XLM just broke through the 0.40 resistance and is already testing 0.43. Remember the yearly high at 0.63? With this momentum, it could hit that again and maybe even go further. But the real story here isn't just price. It's what's behind it. MasterCard, Visa, and PayPal are integrating Stellar's tech into their systems. This isn't speculation anymore. This is real-world adoption. XLM is being welcomed into the traditional financial system in a big way. That's a game changer. When a crypto project partners with companies that move trillions of dollars every year, the narrative shifts completely. We're no longer talking about potential. We're talking about real utility, institutional trust, and serious capital flows. And that's what sets utility tokens, like XLM and XRP. Apart from meme coins, these aren't speculative gambles anymore. They're becoming core pieces of financial infrastructure. Now, HBAR isn't making as much noise, but don't overlook it. The numbers are clear. A 14.5% gain in just 1 week. It's closing in on the 0.2 for resistance. AI like Grok 4 are projecting a 2.50 target by 2026. What's behind it? Partnerships with NVIDIA and Accenture, two major players in infrastructure and tech. That gives HBAR both credibility and long-term growth potential. This could be a hidden gem ready to take off. So what are we seeing here? A shift to meme coin era, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, maybe fading. What's rising now are projects with real fundamentals. XRP, XLM, HBAR, all of them have strong use cases, growing adoption, and serious institutional validation. The crypto market is maturing, and if you're maturing as an investor too, these are the kinds of projects you should be watching. So now you know, XP, XLM, and HBAR aren't just going up. They're repeating a proven pattern, and history just might repeat itself. If this video gave you value, hit that subscribe button, give it a like, and let me know in the comments which of these 3 projects do you see with the most potential. And don't forget to turn on notifications because what's coming next could be massive. See you in the next video.